It's July, it's summer. Let's talk Christmas crochet patterns. I love Christmas in July. I want you to meet this little Santa. Isn't he cute? Look at this little beard. Let's talk Santa crochet patterns. I approve. This one's included. I'm for big crochet. I love Christmas, and ever since I found out there's such a thing as Christmas in July, I couldn't resist finding you the most awesome Christmas crochet patterns out there. Today, obviously, Santa Claus. And the great thing about these patterns, they are all free. Yes, they are. This is a horrible photo, but look at how cute these Santas are climbing up the chimney. They're very cute. I like that this one is made in blue. That's unusual. And I like that. Now this cute guy is ready to give some Christmas hugs. I love the way the beard has been crocheted, and look at those little eyebrows. It's all in the details, people. It's all in the details. This is the one I showed you. This is the one I couldn't resist making myself. Now this one is even cuter than the one I made. Mainly because it has this adorable little bear. How awesome is that? It's so cute. I can't resist. I want to make 100 more of these. Now this one is also a Christmas bauble, but the bauble itself is crocheted. It looks very cute with its little beard and cute little eyes and massive belt buckle. I just have to laugh whenever I see this one. It's a very simple pattern, but it's so effective. I love his little face. Look at how cute this little face is. And again, it's in the details. Look at the little bell he has. It's so cute. This Santa is old and wise, as you can tell. He has glasses. I love that. Again, with the little eyebrows. He has a beautifully crocheted beard and is all ready to distribute some presents. This is a completely different kind of Santa. He has a nice fluffy beard. I'm not sure how that is accomplished. Might be just fluffing up the yarn. I'm not sure. If you know, please let me know. I love the little fur details on the arms and coat and hat. This one is so cute. It's small, but it has a lot of presents for everyone. And this is such a cute present to give away also with a cute little Christmassy gift. I love the little bell on the end. Now this one is very nice. It's a bad photo, but the idea is very, very good. It's a big one. This is a massive Santa. He's a very friendly face and everything is in there. Look at this little guy. He's so cute. He has a little bead nose and bead eyes and a big fluffy beard, and his little spindly legs are just too cute. This one's a bit more solid, very nice pattern, straightforward, nothing fancy, beautiful. Now this one is simple, but it has a lot of detail. I love this little beard. I love the idea of sort of a younger looking little Santa Claus, and of course this is a great ornament to put in your tree. Now this one is a little bigger. Let's see if we can zoom in for a bit. It has unusual colors, as the cuffs are pink instead of white. I love the green buttons here, and of course he has a little crochet Christmas stocking there. Now this amigurumi Santa doesn't have legs. I just noticed he doesn't have legs, but he does have glasses and he has piercing blue eyes. He has a beautifully crocheted mustache and beard, and this actually is a real buckle. You can probably use like the clasp on a watch or something for this. It's a great idea. I love that. It's very nice. Now a little bauble. Let's see. Very cute, very simple, easily made, very, very effective. Another little bauble Santa. It's absolutely adorable. I love the massive hat that sort of folds down, And the little belt buckle is just to die for. And look at this beard. It's a great idea to do a beard like that. It's the same idea, but with different yarn. This Santa is jolly ready for Christmas, has its presents all wrapped up and is ready to rock. This one is very busy distributing presents. I love the little mustache. How cute is that? And the little bead nose. It's adorable. This is a great idea also with these numbers parcels to make a advent calendar. So you can open one little gift each day, counting down to Christmas. And so that's a great gift to give a loved one. Oh, look at this cute. It doesn't really get much cuter than this one. He's a mini Santa, but has everything. Little feet, little hands, big eyes, cute little cheeky cheeks, and a big pom-pom hat. Absolutely adorable. Now this one is ready to greet you every time you come home and wishing you a Merry Christmas. Well, to you and all the visitors to your house. I love the jingle bells here. Very, very cute. Remember, all these beautiful Santa patterns are completely free. So check them out. And I will see you tomorrow for more Christmas in July. Happy crocheting!